I have a tag along today, at least right now I do. We'll see how this goes. Oh, see so. Right out of the gate, some of my assumptions were wrong as far as light. So, but that's, you know, they're assumptions, you know. I'm standing over there thinking, that's going to be the same light everywhere. See, they're your kind of people. Look at, it's all your kind of people.
You said it was a baker's market, I would have known.
Years ago. Which kind? Get some. Yeah, lots of. Right there. Yeah, I got the ones right there next to the bike, but I'm now gonna get the classic bike here too. Must be darker. Yeah, especially with the basket.
Yes.
The basket really helps it. I spotted a dog. Oh, look. Mushrooms. You know.
Sour cream cake and a lot of crumbs. Yeah, go ahead, take it. Somebody will buy it.
Look at this. See, you didn't even know. You didn't know it was going to be all delicious baking goods.
There's blueberry on this side and regular on this side. So it's sour cream cake. This one has blueberries. That's regular, yeah, without a lot of crumb, little cake.
There is a lot of crumb. Look at that.
Yeah, a lot of crumb.
Show this one out for a second.
Yeah, sure. Hold on. This one's falling down.
It's very. Oh yeah, we gotta make it photogenic. You know.
Yeah, I'm a photographer.
We with our eyes.
Yes, sir.
You're many things. You're
I know.
multi-talented now.
Wedding photographer, art teacher in Lawrence, and I do this.
Get out.
Yes, sir. What's that? This is the original, just without the circuit. Sure, thank you.
I think you should take a purchase of that one. Yeah. No, I thought you were tasting it. I felt like you know what it tastes like. Buy the damn thing. No. Look at that cabbage. Look at that, great on the grill. That is not what people think when they think cabbage. But it is great on the grill. Beautiful.
Is that chard or shard?
Chard. Swiss chard. Oh, come on, boys. Don't pulse.
Look how it's like chard.
So earlier in the day, I said, you should go photo walking with me. Oh, I made a terrible mistake. Which does?
Yeah, this one.
This one? Yeah, we should. I don't know even know what that is. Oh, they are. Mind your own. But no one's ever said that to them ever.
These like sun cactus is interesting because you think they would like melt or something.
You would think that. I would think that. In fact, I'm still not convinced they won't. You gotta come back every few months.
Need to repeat.
Guys, I'm out of BK.
Uh-oh, look how Leslie's in competition.
Uh-oh. Oop, I just kicked their display. I'm a very bad customer. Those are beautiful. It's a vegetable.
Ooh, the apples are nice. It's like that Chuck Wendig book.
About apples? I don't remember a book about
It's
apples.
like a haunted orchard.
Wow.
And then, spoiler alert, the apples are evil.
That's a stretch, Chuck.
Good morning, guys.
Hi.
Let me invite you to try this delicious appetizer. There are pickled vegetables.
So you could try... yes. I would love to try a pickled vegetable.
I have eggplant, mushroom, and pickled vegetable with tuna.
Oh, well, which is the one that I'm going to love the most? Tuna.
And fry all of them.
With tuna, please. That's
Go
the one.
ahead.
That sounds magical.
That's a great
Oh,
choice.
thank
That's
you.
a great choice, honestly.
Can you take your photo?
No.
Yes, yes, please. Yes, please, do it.
Oh, guess I should be here, huh?
Thank you.
Treatment in your video.
That is beautiful.
My still to go with yours. Can we take one of just you?
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Mmm.
You're so sweet. Thank you. How about that?
Delicious.
Okay, you see that? I love it. With this little jar, you can make 40 crackers. You can eat it with 40 crackers.
Wow.
I've been serving, you know. So, or you can make it with sandwich. You can toast it in the salad. You can do something a lot.
I was just wondering that actually.
You can do with pasta, cold or warm.
Cold or warm?
Anyway, this is delicious.
It is delicious.
This is only $13, so you can make it.
I'll come back through. 13. That's good. That's a great price too.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Maybe that's why they do that.
Can I sniff your coffee?
Wafting is totally free.
Johnny Cupcakes. Is Johnny Cupcakes still around?
Yeah.
yeah.
Newbury Street in Boston.
Yeah, I used to love that place back in the day.
He
Yeah.
took over Newbury Comics, where he used to work when he was a teenager, designing some of the stuff that ended up in this store.
So we've got that bakery, so people will go in and be like, "Where's all the cupcakes?"
Speaking of wafting, they have fake cupcake smell, and they have ovens, and when they pull your t-shirt out, it comes out of an oven with the cupcake aroma.
Not grinder like the app.
They grind it for you. You're not on Grinder?
No, not
they,
Grindr.
They have it for you back there. It's ground. Grab you some hummus.
No, we can't buy everything.
I think you can. I think that's why you go to these.
I don't go to these.
I think that's why one goes to these. And that's it. We've done the whole thing.
Dad,
We did. It's done.
hummus.
Did you want hummus? They have good hummus.
Have you actually tried it from there?
No. How do you say no to gay chairs? Lovely. Okay, now I can hold them. Okay. I don't know.